Home Depot, Milwaukee hack is live. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Yes, it's live. Big shout out to my man, Joe the Tool Guy. He posted this first. So he was the first one to post this news. Alright, so the first one we got is the M18 18 volt high output starter kit. This is the best one, basically. So you get two premium batteries. You get two the better ones. 6 amp hour batteries and charger. Get battery more 50 amp corded tools, 50% more runtime, recharge powered tool battery. M18 system featuring over 200 tools, $299. You get to select your free tool. Alright, you go down here. 7 items. Jump on it now because these items will get sold out. You got the Circ Saw 179. This is brushless. You got the Rocket Light 229. You got the high output battery. This is the 8 amp hour battery, $199. You got the angle grinder, 4.5, 5-inch angle grinder with paddle switch, $179. You got the hacksaw reciprocating saw, 170 or $159. You got the cordless 3/8 impact wrench, $219. So this is the Gen 3. This is the newer one. And then this is the newest addition here, the Milwaukee Fuel Pack Out cordless 2.5 gallon wet and dry vac, $199. I personally bought this already, so this is coming to the home and to our channel, so I can make the review for you guys. All right, so that's the deal for this one. I'll leave the link down below in the description section for both of these. This is the second deal here. This is a 5 amp hour and a 2, I believe. Yeah, a 2 amp hour, and this is a regular XC batteries. All right, $199, guys. If you guys don't want to spend the $299, you guys can spend with the $199 and get these two batteries. Definitely worth it. This is the sander. This is a random orbital sander, 5-inch M18, $119 is the price. You got lithium cordless oscillating multi-tool, $129. You got the fuel brushless cordless 1/2-inch hammer drill tool only, $149. You got the lithium brushless cordless 1/4-inch impact driver, $149. You got the Gen 2 lithium cordless 4000 lumen rubber light AC. This is a great light. This is a great impact. I would definitely go for these three. These two here are just old brush tools. Definitely go for the most expensive ones so you can get the most out of your money. You add both to cart, you guys are gonna see you're gonna end up paying $100.07 for these batteries, $91 for this. It's an awesome deal. Go get them, guys. These deals are gonna sell out. So by the time this thing rolls out, there's gonna be only a few of these items left. All social media is gonna know about these. Big shout out to my man Joe the Tool Guy for posting this first, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so you guys can help out this channel. Thank you.